Greetings, Aquanauts! Today is the day you all been waiting for. I'm sharing with you my hair routine to how to get your hair nice and curly. Nice and curly. If you got that, you know what I'm saying, that Jesus hair, that wool hair, you know what I'm saying, that maybe coarser hair, you know, that curly hair, that
curly
beautiful
and
hair,
coily.
that curly and coily and beautiful hair. Yeah. So I mean, one of my young woman friends, you know, helped me out. She saw my hair situation. You know, she's like, "Wow, you have nice hair, yada yada. You should do this." And she will actually put her at, and stuff on social media in the description below, so y'all can follow her. She's pretty cool. Her name's Ciera, but dancer, awesome dancer. But yeah, she gave me this really cool hair routine, and I've been using it ever since she told me, and it works awesome. So yeah, here are the steps, here are the materials you'll need, and everything. I hope y'all enjoy. If you want your hair to look like this, then follow these steps. I'm about to wash my hair. The first step, wash your hair. About to do that real quick. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright folks, so I just got out the shower, just washed my hair. And basically what you want to do is, after you have it all wet and like washy wet, I like to get a little spray bottle, put water in the spray bottle. You just give it a little bit of extra spray when we need it. This is what we'd be putting in there. The replenishing conditioner. And I also, I have some Cantu. I'm about to run out of both of them. Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, once again repair cream. Just put in some conditioner to you guys here, folks. Right. But yeah, so I mean, I like to go ahead and spray my hair. Go ahead and get it as like wet, as your spray bottle will allow. And then, after you get it wet, I like to split my hair in first into 2 sections. Eventually, we'll have about 4 to 6 parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the 6 parts. I start by splitting my hair into the 2 sections, and then splitting it up from there. And once I have it, when I take it in parts, I'll like take it and I'll twist it. Alright, and I'll twist it, just make it a long, sort of like twisty sort of deal. Until eventually it gets twisty enough to where I can kind of like fold it slash like just twist it into like a little Bantu knot sort of deal. And then from there, that's when I add the hair clip, just to hold it in place. I'm gonna do that with each section. You just keep separating them into 6 parts. Twisting, 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 until you can get it into a little knot. I'm a little mad because like they definitely shouldn't be this fat. But it's chill. They get the idea. They get the point.
So you always do 6?
Mm-hmm. If I had 8 clips, I'd probably do 8 TBH. Now it's time to start raking through your hair with the leave-in conditioner. I like to spray my the hair and get it as wet as possible before I put it in the conditioner. I like to get a little, you know what I'm saying? Work your hands together. You just want to try your best to rake through your hair. You low-key want a lot of leave-in conditioner in your hair. Fun little tip, how to get the hair from off your hands pretty fast. You just put your hands together and rub your hands together in circular motion. It kind of draws all the hair, at least all the long hair on your hands together real fast, real easy. And you basically just want to rake through until it's super easy to rake through. Like rake through until like there's not really any more tangled hair. You know what I'm saying? It should be like very easy to just strum your finger through the hair. And then after you're done raking through, you're gonna go ahead and twist it back into its little, you know what I'm saying, its little holding knot. Go ahead and put the first clip back on there. Yeah, basically we're going to do that process for each one of these. So, you know what I'm saying, you twist it up, put it in a clip, section it apart, and then you know, one by one, you unclip, put a bunch of conditioner in it, get it wet, you know, run your fingers through it, rake through it until it's pretty easy to, you know, rake through until it's pretty untangled. And you want to twist it right back up and put it right back in that clip.
Drop one, take two. I've been here right to make things righter. Don't it take two? She likes the light, so she stay close to me. She stay close to me. Necklace got her freezing. She just needs some meat. Baby, 'tis the season. Baby, 'tis the season. She just wanna be tough. She wanna flex all day. Baby, cold as ice. Come lay by this thing. She need to come my way. You should come my way. It's cold outside, babe. Shawty with the body. You my present for all, yeah. Anything on your mind, girl, I'm all ears. I'm big, get ready to be small fish. Like Paul Pierce, I'm a first round pick. Get around this. I'm liquid, drip like a fountain. Not counting the mountains to move to prove it's you. My blessing is found in. Man of your dreams, you sleeping. You fall for me, no leaving. Come back with your V secret and you'll pick that panther beacon. Too smooth, seduce you. I know it tastes right. Got your skin to clear up. Know your body feel nice. You can be my little vice. I can give advice too. Tell me what's the price. Wanna own the rights to your heart. You is heart. Baby, you my reason for the season. She just wanna be tough. She wanna flex all day. Baby, cold as ice. Come lay by this thing. She need to come my way. You should come my way. It's cold outside, babe. It's cold. Stay warm, stay warm, stay warm, stay warm, stay warm with me. Stay warm, stay warm, stay warm with me.
Alright, we on the last two.
Now that it's Christmas, I cannot miss this, I cannot pass this, no. You know I miss it, baby. Look, you should just listen, baby. This here is my mission. Time I told to a mission. I just wanna, you know I gotta be with you now. I'ma give you some presents, baby. Just need your presence lately. I just been resting, thinking about where I am destined to go and how I need you to be there. Look, you make my Christmas special, yeah. I gotta keep that tree that gon' remember me. Got that range on it, don't get the smell. But she, bitches, all of my bags, drain my energy, yeah. All of my bags, they tryna steal south where I'm located. I'ma see that shot till they know me. I'ma earn my stripes like Tony. I'ma take that shot till I make that shot. Gonna leave my mark like Kobe.
And remember, y'all, TGIN stands for Thank God It's Natural. I recommend you looking at her story. This is the lady who who created Thank God It's Natural. Her name is Ciera Donaldson. It's called This Is Only a Test: What Breast Cancer Taught Me About Faith, Love, Hair, and Business. This is Only a Test by Ciera Donaldson. And this book came with the TGIN when I purchased it, and so I still need to read this. What Breast Cancer Taught Me About Faith, Love, Hair, and Business. Ciera Donaldson. Maybe my book club will read this next.
Speaking of faith, don't forget to check out my faith cover that I did maybe a few months ago. We'll put the link in the bio, in the description.
Great idea. And it's unique because you use bass instead of lead guitar.
Facts. Who's doing that right now?
Only innovators like you, Jay.
Straight up. Straight up.
This is how she looks with hair on the back cover, you know, the book cover. Alright.
And before we do the last part, just shaking it all out, I like to spray a little bit more water in there just to give it some more moisture. Some more moisture. Try saying that fast like 6 times. More moisture. More moisture. Yeah. Just gonna, you know. And oh, almost forgot to take out the clips. Alright. Let's get it. Well, these knots be twisted tight. And there you have it, folks. There'll still be a little bit of conditioner left over, but if it's too much in certain spots, like it's probably a whole bunch, like right here, this area, maybe even on the neck area, just take a little towel, pat it, dab at it. Yeah, just get rid of it. But yeah, that's it, folks.
Oh, you don't have to shake it any more than that? That was enough?
Yeah, about enough.
Alright.
You can put it up in a ponytail, I guess. You can clip it, split it, whatever you need to do, whatever you want to do. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there. We love you. Yeah, but that's basically it for this hair routine, this curly hair routine style. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all enjoyed and learned something. And yeah, you guys have a great life. Peace out. Ooh, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Peace out, folks.